Hey guys, Michael here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another Gmail account in your Android phone. So if you need to add a work, school, or personal Gmail account to your Android phone, this video will help you do that. If you've previously signed in into a Google account on the device before, when using any of Google's services such as Gmail, you'll find your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Google Play Store, you also find it at the top right corner, and then you find it at the bottom right corner on YouTube. Anywhere you find it on the screen, you can easily sign into a Google account from there. Now tap on your profile, and somewhere on the screen here you'll find add account. You can tap on add account and then tap on add accounts to device. This will start the process to sign you in. Now you can also get there through your settings. Tap on settings. Once settings is opened, you want to scroll till you find accounts. Here on my device is password, passkeys, and accounts. If you don't find this, you can tap in the search section here and search for accounts. You'll find accounts with Google on it. Tap on it and this will bring you here. Here you can tap on add a new account. If you do find accounts, you can tap on it and then you want to scroll down under accounts and then tap on add accounts. Scroll till you find Google in this section. Tap on Google and then enter your email address. You can also enter your email address without the @ sign, just the username, and then tap on next. Enter your password, and if you do not want to sign in with password, you try another way in this section. That is if you have configured other ways to sign in into your account. So sign in with your preferred method. So if you want your phone numbers to be linked, you can scroll down in this section and tap on yes, I'm in, or tap on skip in this section. Tap on I agree. And that's all you need to do. Now your Google account is now signed in on the device. You can now open any of Google's services. Tap at the top right corner and we tap on manage accounts and then tap on manage accounts on this device. You will see that the new Google account has been added. So give it some time to update all your Google information. So if you want to add multiple Gmail accounts, you can do it this way. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.